But we are now living in our Subarakay, and then
you going to home?
we are going to go home. Look at that guy. He bring our bicycle here in river.
Bring that guy, sneakers.
Isaksak na yun, oh.
And that human being,
May ginakala naman.
pustiso na lang kulang yan. Magtatao na lang. Here, we go to the second house of...
Diet na lang, patay ka na.
We go to the second house of Dudoy Camino, you know that? Ronnie Camino in Facebook. Oh my God. And look at that in our background.
Manya ka pare sa tao.
That is what you call corn. In Tagalog, mais. Look at mais.
Ano?
Ha?
Ano sa Bisaya?
Popcorn. Popcorn na part. Popcorn part.
Gatubo pa lang.
No, that's not chicharon. This is a plant, babana. In English, babana.
Hindi ka naman tour guide pa ka.
Banana gali part, babana.
Chicken pants.
And we're here on this house. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Nakakayolanda Park.
Hey Lex, come on here. Touch mo boto. This Dudoy ro naglapos man. Part. Oh, janitor fish the part.
That's what to call carpa.
Oh, it's nothing there because
Aragoy.
Aragoy.
Ngaya lang.
Part this is
Kinayoy.
takop sa part.
Bukag. Hindi mo siguro gago.
Iyot.
Gago ang baboy, baboy tala aja.
Gagarasin yung takop da balang ko. Ang takop.
Ibalik.
Balik. Oh. Part, and then now we are living on Subarakay at
Oh, come on, this is all of these popcorn.
it's so cold, you know, cold part, cold. Oh, that music, Albatross, you know that. Look at that guy, he looks like crazy, you know. He bring that bicycle here in the farm of corn. In English, popcorn. In Bisaya, chicharon. No, that now eh.
That's what to call
What you call tuck in. Ouch part. Out, tuck in, and then on
goal, kid.
ontoy. Ontoy kita rito, ontoy. Asawa ni Dilman na part.
Kapital NGO Mango.
Oh. That this is what you call mais. Mais ha, mais. Mais. Look that guy. In the middle. My God.
Palabas na kami sa Mount Everest.
Oh, that makes sunog-sunog there because of heat. You know, ang heat. My nose is very oily, you know. Part. Look at that guy, that 4 guys in there. That is look like Mongoloid. There, Mongoloid. You know that Mongoloid. That's one bringing picture. Wait,
Picture on.
Tikat sa bull.
Nilalagyan yan
Like
ng
a dog.
picture on.
that is what you call Puyoy.
That's called
The son of Agi.
The son of a bits.
Son of a bitch.
Pram. Hello.
Ouch part, ouch. Oh, that guy looks stranded there because of the Carabao. There, he struck gold Carabao and he makes sungay-sungay there.
Maabi, makakaw naman no.
Mga ulok.
No way!
That guy.
That's what you call Wangu.
Ang Carabao daw! Hindi, get!
Lex, can you make it ride the Carabao? Oh, come on. This is our dirty river. There. So what you call Balok Kwan Buraks. Buraks. Part. This is what you call in Manila, jeep. This is jeep. In this area, this is what you call tricycle.
Carabao jeep.
Peresa mo yung tsura, oh.
Part.
Ito ba nga?
Paano ibalik ni... sa kwan? Sa...
Tricycle.
Camera.
Tricycle, ha? Meet our friend. Oh, part.
You girl.
Part. Manungay sa part. Part.
Hey, Joe. Hey, mama.
Hey, Joe.
Palayo, bala.
Oh.
Di mo na gira, oh.
Ha?
Ah, teka, hindi ka mo din.
Because my arms is getting
Getting nerve.
no.
Pilbe part.
Hindi ko balo. Kapital M.
Part.
Malnuris. Pure dando, pure lagupo. Patay, dulo.
Kita pala.
Hindi, palambutan to part, dala part to.
Dapat chat niya ito. Isa ko tuba. Masaharap na ito.
Daha man.
Part, dito mo.
Ito ko. Imo, patasan na. Importante na dire ba ito to?
Picture mo si Mukay.
Video.
Video part, video.
Na, video.
Video.
Ay, kailan?
Si-
Talent to.
Si video part, amo nang kontra ni tonton part, video.
Tantando tire.
Part in there.
Parang part.
part. Gusto sila na part.
Oh, yay! Dami na lang ito sa atin yun.
Praise the Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
This is what you call spider tiroy there. Tiroy.
Di baklaan, di bakla.